welcome to my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Taurus. Hi, this is going to be a reading for you today from October 26th to the 2nd of November, and I shall take a look at your recent past, your current energies and your immediate future. I will then pull out an oracle card for you as a message for you from the universe. All right. The tarot decks I'm using today are the Steampunk Tarot deck by Barbara Moore, and the oracle card deck that I'm using for you guys is the Spirit Animal Oracle by Colette Baron Reid. All right, so these are the two decks. I want you all to please understand that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you. All right, so this could be for you, this could be for the person you're involved in or the situation you're in, or just basic vice versa energies as well for some of you who are cross watching. All right, so just take in what resonates with you and let the rest go. That's what I always tell people, especially when it is these general readings. But if you're looking at a personal reading from me, please feel free to email me for all the details, etc. On my email address. I have mentioned that in the in the details below in the description box. So now I'm going ahead with Taurus. What's happening with Taurus for the week 26th October to the 2nd of November? Taurus, Taurus, Taurus. All right, so Taurus, from what I see for you, when I look at your overall card for your overall reading for this week, I have the Queen of Pentacles. There is concern about money for sure. See, basically you are someone who manages to get the kind of financial help that you've always wanted. You somehow manage to make two ends meet. You just get that help in time. All right, that doesn't seem to be a problem. And I see with the Queen of Pentacles here, you're quite sorted like that. You're someone who doesn't only depend on someone else for your income. You're someone who manages to get that sorted out for yourself too. Now, in the past, what I see for you, Taurus, is the Page of Wands, the Emperor, and the Hierophant. So you obviously look up to someone. Someone was your emperor. Someone was completely in charge of, advising you, someone you kind of really looked up to in the past. It could be in terms of a relationship, it could be in terms of some emotional support, mental support, and now I see that you've received some kind of an information that that person is probably moving away from you. All right, just when you thought everything was going great, guns, and this person was like the emperor in your heart, and you looked up to them, and looks like you've heard that they're probably moving away. In your current situation, I see a little bit of insecurity with the Moon card. You're obviously ready to fight for this person because internally you love this person, you want this to work, and you've of late been probably arguing and standing up for this person, and there have been people who are probably opposing, and you have been fighting this entire weekend, all right, for this person, in favor of this person. And I think that's also made you very strong. Right now you feel very strong, you're very stubborn, you're not scared anymore, you're ready to voice your opinion and tell people to just back off. Okay, that's what I'm seeing for you currently. In the immediate future, what I see is a lot of work going in. I see you putting in a lot of hard work. It's not something that you're going to just rely on for money on someone else. I see you also working very hard. If you have a business going for you, it's going to boom because you're really, really pushing yourself to another level. With the Four of Pentacles, I definitely said you're going to start saving. I see money being saved, money coming in, and you making the optimum use of your money. I definitely see that happening for you going forward. I do see an emotional sadness with this person probably moving away from you. I do see that, but I think the overall, when I see the Strength card and I see the Queen of Pentacles, I think you're a very strong person in the head, so you will manage your heart. So I don't see that of a worry, but I definitely see a very strong business enterprising woman or man putting in their best foot forward going, in the future. So that's what I see for you, Taurus. All right. Let's see what the universe has to say for you. A message from the universe for Taurus. What's happening? Don't fall out, but I'm not asking you to. So Taurus, a message for Taurus for the week 26th to the 2nd of November. Give with gratitude and grace. You're not someone who is going to take things just the way they're given to you. You will pay everyone back in time with a lot of grace, a lot of dignity. That I definitely see happening. Use your mind wisely, it says. And I see that you're not someone who's just going to get head up about small things. You are someone who's extremely strong. You know when to say what. So you will continue to do that. And the oracle cards here are advising you to continue to use your mind wisely. Don't make mistakes. And what I see here is the mouse spirit, which is tend to do the small things. Don't focus on just one or two things which you think are very significant. Do even focus on the smaller things in life which you probably right now don't think are very important to you, but I think you need to focus on that. That's very, very, very important. All right, so that's what I see for you, Taurus, for this week. But I don't see anything that's very alarming. I just think that you need to understand that this person who's moving away from you is probably doing that because he or she needs to focus on their work. They're probably moving away for a better career option. You never know where that's going to take them and where that's going to lead you. So hold your horses, have that faith, continue to do your own thing, succeed, make your own buck so that you're not dependent on anyone else. And with the Queen of Pentacles, I definitely see you doing that. So that's what I see for you, Taurus, for this week. And I see you next week then. Till then, take care and be safe.